Okay, use of preposition by. How to use the preposition by? Point of time, especially to the point of time, not before, not after. We have to use by. Ram Saran Mohan will have been a national player by 2085, means fixed time, by the point of time, not before, not after. That's why in this condition by 2085 is the point of time. Sita will have been graduated by 2081. Not before, not after. Yes, this Sita will have been graduated by 2081. 2081, she will graduated by 2081. In passive voice, especially, we have to use passive voice before the subject. The subject is changed into object and object changed into subject. In this condition, Ram was beaten by Saharun. Beaten by Saharun. Saharun beaten by Shahrukh. Shahrukh beats Ram. In this condition, we have to use Ram was beaten by Shahrukh. Ravan was killed by Ram. Ravan was killed by Ram. Ram killed Ravan. Ravan was killed by Ram. Ram killed Ravan, or Ravan was by before Ram, before Shahrukh. You see, these are the subject that sends into, these are the object here by after object, but they are subject in passive voice, active voice. Means of doing something through. We pay you by check. Check is the means of things. They are participating in online game by using website. By using website. You see, this by using website. Something, somebody is standing near. While anybody or something is standing near, he is standing by the gate. Ram is waiting by the gate. By the waiting is also standing. Indicate there, he is standing by the gate. Alright. So something, somebody is standing near the somebody or something, somebody is standing something, or somebody is standing someone, or someone is standing something, or something or somebody is standing to someone another body also. In this condition, we have to use by. Let's see, he is standing by the gate. You see, is standing by the gate, is standing aside, waiting by the wall. These are the words that we use by. By using in the following condition: by bus, means of transport; by plane, by ship; increase by, decrease by, one by. We went to use by bus, this is the means of transport; by train, it is the means of transport; by plane, it is the means of transport; by ship, it is the means of transport; increase by, decrease by, won by. Examples here: we went to Agra by train. The price of petrol is increased by Rs 10 rupees. For Nepal football team won the match by 3 goals. These are the example. So by means of transport and increase by, decrease by, one by. The football match won the Nepal by 3 goals. Won by 3 goals. Won the match by 3 wickets. Won the match by 3 goals. Won by 3 goals. Won the match by 3 goals. Yes, these are the example that we use by. So the use of preposition, especially we have to use point of time by 2000, not before, not after, by 2081, not before, not after, and passive voice. The ram was beaten by Shaharun. Shaharun bite Ram. Ram was killed by Ram. By here means of doing something to. We buy check. We pay you back by check. They are participating in online game by using website. And these are the means of transport: by train, by plane, by sea, by increase, by decrease, by one by. These are the example here. So the preposition of how to use the preposition of by, we have to follow these rules. If we know the rules of these things, and commonly if we practice more, it doesn't matter. Sometimes when we are in confused, at that time we have to remember these rules and regulation, how to use the preposition by in proper place. All right.